Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to actually show you how to add a bank account to Doordash, guys. So actually really easy and simple. So first things first, guys, open up your Doordash app, okay? Go and open up your Doordash app. And actually before that, guys, you want to actually go to your settings in your device and go to apps and go to Dasher app, okay? And give it the permissions for camera if you haven't already. Or later on it will prompt you so you can skip this. But basically you just want to launch the app and go to the earnings tab, right? And then after that, guys, you want to tap on a view payout details button. You want to click on this view payout details and you want to actually select this option, change payment method, or you can just add a payment method right there. So guys, so if you want to add a bank account or set up, direct deposit, this is what you do, guys, okay? You need to add a bank account, and then what they're going to do first is they're going to ask you to take a photo of your ID, right? And then if you're in the US, you need to give the following details for your bank account. You need to give the routing number. It's basically 9 digits long, and your account number. Usually it's 10 to 12 digits long. And if you're in Canada, you also need to put in the following details. You need to give the branch number, institution number, and the account number. And after that, guys, they're going to prompt you to enter a two-step verification code that is going to be sent to you via a text message. And if you don't actually receive this text, just tap on resend code, and then you can redirect this message to your email. If you chose email, you can check all your email folders for verification code. Also check spam, guys. Okay. Now, be careful, guys. This verification code does not verify your bank details. It just confirms that you're the owner of this Dasher account and you are authorizing the change to add a payment method. And then you just want to tap on submit, and basically a success message will pop up. And then what's going to happen, guys, if you check on your bank account on the second Wednesday after dashing, you can confirm the transfer of payment. If you do not receive a payment, you can just double check your account details in the app. So basically, guys, if you want to get paid, the DoorDash actually issues payments the first Monday of every week, which basically takes 1 to 2 business days to process. So basically, you're gonna receive it on Wednesday, guys. So it's actually that easy and simple. And if this doesn't work for you, you can email DoorDash support. Okay, it's literally that simple. But if it has been successful, then you should receive an email from no reply at DoorDash.com with the bank account information change successful, guys. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps. And if it did, guys, you can leave a comment and let everybody know that it helped you. And as always, guys, I want you to subscribe. I'll